All right, well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So for today, what I have going on is in my in the woods here, I've got a set of tree stumps here that are probably, I'm gonna guess about 3 years old now, and I've been maneuvering around them, but I thought, well, now it's time to go ahead and cut them down level. At least this one I'm going to cut down level. But I wanted to show what wood chips are like after a period of time. Now, I believe the wood chips in this area are about 5 years old, and you can see they're degrading pretty well. This is only about maybe a foot deep. You can kind of see here how the tree stump itself is rotting away, and these wood chips, as I say, are about 3 or 5 years old into the ground now. And we've had a lot of rain this year, but you can see, look at this, these wood chips are really starting to turn into dirt. I mean, there are some big pieces in there still, but by and large, look at that, it's kind of composting very nicely. So what I want to do is dig this out. Now this one's actually goes down another few feet, but what I want to do is just cut it off with my saw and level it out. So let's have a go at that. Just want to get down low enough to get my chainsaw in there, and I think that'll be a good place to start. All right, let's get to it. Oh, ooh, really sunk down there. Gosh, okay, gotta get. All right, so now just getting down into the hole here, I'm going to take out my Worx chainsaw. This is originally it was a 14-inch electric, I believe, and I've upgraded it to my 18-inch bar. And I'm just going to cut this down below the top level here. I don't need to have it all the way down. You gotta be comfortable when you do this stuff. Okay, I believe that's through. I can't really see from this side, but I can kind of tell. Okay, let's get that saw out of the hole here. And oh, look at this, I found a friend. If anybody knows what kind of beetle this is, let me know in the comments below. I see a lot of these guys out here in the woods, particularly around the wood chips. Well, all right then, so now that I've got my stump cut, I've got a cut that goes all the way through level, and my goal was to basically get underneath the surface level that I have here. That's the dirt that I pulled out. It's that real thick, nice composting set of tree chips that should go right back in there. And as far as this stump here, I'm just going to take that out and roll it down in the woods. All right, let's have a go and see how this goes. all right then. I think with a couple more drive overs on this, you know, everything compact down. I'm getting chips in here all the time, so I do expect there to be a little bit of settling that goes on there. Probably about anywhere from 2 to 6 inches over the next few weeks. But that's it. So just to recap what I was using my good old John Deere 2320, and I used my Worx Chainsaw, which I have over there. That's my go-to for a lot of projects that I do. And also, I didn't mention it before, I don't think, but I'm using my Pine Needle Rake here. This is 60 inches wide. I got to tighten some of these tines up a little bit, but that really does a really good job, you know, helping to level everything out back here. So I've been bringing chips back in here over time and building it up and smoothing it out, but it really works well. Well, if anybody's got any questions or thoughts or concerns about, you know, how I did this project where I was removing this stump, I know it's not really technically removed, it's just under the surface, but let me know in the comments below. And you know, what did I do right? What didn't I do right? Is there easier way that I could have done it? Something more long lasting? But basically, this cost me nothing other than my time on the tractor. Well, thanks everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.